Ham Radio's Field Day is this weekend, June 28th and 29th. It's a 24-hour event. It's basically a big contest or a giant publicity stunt by the ARRL to promote ham radio. And let me tell you, if you've never been to Field Day, it is an absolute blast. Many ham clubs will actually set up in community parks or places that are publicly accessible, and they will operate on emergency power, putting up antennas that basically they might have homebrewed or built themselves, or some very clever contraptions in order to get antennas on the air. And the point is to make as many contacts with as many stations that you can, and you get points for every contact that you make. Now, this contest is open from all the HF bands right through VHF. So if you have a scanner radio, you can listen to this. If you have a shortwave radio, you can listen to this. But even better, you can participate. Even if you do not have an amateur radio license here in the United States, you can get on their GOTA station, which is Get on the Air. If you're a licensed amateur operator, you can go and operate using the club's call sign and their privileges. So if you've never been on HF and you hold a technician class, you can get on the air and get on HF and get a feel for the excitement that is amateur radio. If you want to find your local club, let me show you how to find that. So on the web, we're going to go to arrl.org and we are going to go to their Field Day page. Go to the Field Day locator and this will bring up an interactive map. Or you can click on list by state or province because this is also being done in Canada. So for example, if I want to look at something in New York, I can use the menu here on the left and we can click into New York. And then I could pick a local station. So let me do W2GSB, the Great South Bay Amateur Radio Club in Lindenhurst, New York. And of course, their station pops up in green so you can see where it is. Now, this is Limemark, Long Island Mobile Amateur Radio Club. And of course, they have a GOTA station. So if you're not licensed, you can get on the air here. But let's try and click on W2GSB. And again, you have a GOTA station here as well. Field Day is a lot of fun. I used to do this all the time, and a friend of mine who became friendly with me because of amateur radio, we would coordinate with each other to work the 20-meter and then 40-meter voice station late at night because most of the people would leave and go to bed, and we would have just a blast operating the 20-meter and 40-meter stations. If you've never been on the air, again, this is a great opportunity for you to try amateur radio and to see what some of the excitement is about. So let me know, are you planning to go to Field Day this year? Are you planning to operate maybe from home? Or are you going to take more of a passive approach and listen on your scanner or shortwave radio? Maybe you just don't want to listen at all. Maybe amateur radio is just not your thing. Let me know in the comments down below.